Have you encountered a repetitive task that requires you to create and name a folder, and then create a number of subfolders inside that folder you just created? And as your project gets piled up, you wish you can just right-click on your desktop or folder, create a new folder, and subfolders will be automatically added onto it. Now I have this idea of making this kind of shortcut on the Windows context menu itself. But I didn't know how to write a program in Windows. What I did is asked Microsoft Bing's Chat GPT to write me a batch script that will ask me to enter a string and use that string and create subfolders out of it. As you can see, this batch script is just a set of terminal command lines pre-written in a file. We open up the Notepad app. Copy ChatGPT result and paste it to Notepad window. Now we can just modify the batch script to add a number of subfolders. For example, you are a photographer. You would need a Photoshop document, raw files, exported file, and contracts if any. We will add a subfolder here, so we will need to enter the folder we just created by typing in cd% folder name. After that, we will create a subfolder inside our new folder by typing in mkdir, then type in the folder name. Now we will save this batch file in our desktop. We will name it newphotoproject.bat. Now let's test out our created batch script by simply double-clicking it. It seems to be working fine. But we need to add an if statement here just in case you entered no input. No unnamed folder will be created, and the batch script will safely exit. We will save this and retest it. Congratulations! We are done editing the batch script. Now we need to secure our batch script to a more secure location so it will not get accidentally edited or deleted. I decided to place mine inside a subfolder in my Documents folder and change its file attribute as read-only file. Now that we are done securing our batch file, we can now start tinkering with Windows Registry. You will need administrative privileges for this. If you don't have administrative privileges, ask your system administrator or tech support to do it for you. We will start by making a backup of our Windows registry by exporting it. Save it in a secure folder. Now from the left panel, you will see registry keys represented by folder icons. In HKEY_classes_root folder, look for the directory folder. From the directory folder, look for the background folder. Then from the background folder, look for the shell folder. Right-click on the shell folder and hover over New. And click on Key. This will create a subfolder on the shell folder. Name it to your liking. In my case, I named it New Photo Project. Right-click on the folder you just created. Hover over New and click on Key. Type in command in small letters. On the right panel, you will see a string value named default. Double-click on it and type in the path address of your batch file. Close the registry editor and test out our new context menu shortcut. It's a success. Enjoy your new shortcut. Bye for now. See you next time.